What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on a journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate it. Today's video, guys, is an update on Hyliion, as well as why it's still a better buy than Nkla, as well as I need to show you guys a stock that I bought today, and I want you guys to consider buying as well, especially for extra income. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio on a day. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm currently sitting at $48,726.48 on the day. Not too much is going on. On the week, we are up a little over 2%. On the month, we are up over 7.5%. If I take you guys 3 months out, we are up over 16%. If I take you guys 1 year out, even though I haven't had this account 1 year yet, we are up over 17%. And the same can be said for all time. Again, guys, we are up 17%. Hey, I started this channel in January with $0. I come on here each and every day, guys, to show you how to properly build a portfolio, entry points, what prices that you buy stocks at, so you can get the type of growth that you need to grow your portfolio the right way. Anyway, guys, today I want to talk to you guys about Hyliion, as well as some news surrounding this particular position. Okay, guys, right now it's still under the ticker symbol SHLL, Tortoise Acquisition, which is currently sitting at 2688. You all know that a merger is en route, okay? And so what I need to talk to you guys about today is they just had their earnings report and it went pretty decent, okay? Not too much to write home about, wasn't bad, nothing like that, okay? However, the news around all of these EV stocks and SPAC plays is this: it's starting to cool off. They said nobody is that interested in these plays right now. The momentum has died down. People are moving on. You guys already know how we rock on this page. When they sleep, we eat. We are loving to hear that people are no longer paying attention to Hyliion, Workhorse, and things like that. Why? Because that should drive the price down a little bit, okay? And you guys already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna build our position out. We're gonna get our minimum of 125 shares in this, as well as Workhorse. And so, guys, let the news do what it do, okay? Sometimes I told you guys, like with Neo, they'll say things to you to get you scared. And if you are new or beginner, you don't know the game like that, it causes you to flee, and then again they make billions off of your mistakes. Let them do that with this one, because we may have a chance to get Hyliion even at a better price than $26, okay? And so, guys, don't be dismayed by the news. Again, if it does do what it says, then this might come down to 25 or below, and you know we loving that. I think it's important that I also share with you guys, you also need to know when you need to sell, okay? Like Jamia, for instance, we had a nice run up in that. Some of you still may be holding it, but it's plays like this. I told you Workhorse is going to go to 30. If it's not a long-term play for you guys, sell at 30 and take all those profits, okay? Same with Jamia, same with this play, especially if it's not a long-term play for you guys. So I'm going to be diving more into that. It's one thing for me to teach you guys when and what price to buy these stocks at, but if it's a short-term play, you guys got to let me know, because I need to talk to you about where do you sell at, so that you don't get caught holding the stock on the way back down, okay? All of these aren't meant to do what Facebook will do, what Microsoft will do, what Apple will do, what Tesla will do. Those stocks go up, 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 and up. If you guys are still hesitant to get into those real, what I call proven winners, then you got to be ready to stick and move with these other plays like this. Okay, guys, I want to talk to you guys about a stock that I bought today, which is Capital Southwest, ticker symbol SCWC. I want you guys to go look this one up. I'll give you a tad bit about it. As you currently see, it's sitting at $14.78. If you ever wonder where media companies get the money from to make movies. If you ever wonder where any unique idea comes from and where the financial backing comes from, it's this company right here. That's all I'm going to give you. You guys go do the rest of the research. I want you to get this stock though. As you can see, I currently have 140 shares with an average cost of $14.86. One reason is because the dividend on this is extremely high. I want you guys to get it because you may have a chance to get extra passive income every quarter, okay? Again, I want to teach you about stuff that's not being talked about and turn you on to different things, okay? So again, if you get a chance, go research it for yourself and then decide to get you a position established. As you see, I got 140 shares, and of course, when they get to paying it out, I'm gonna show you guys how much money I made off of this. Up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is 200-day moving average. Okay, guys, you know I taught you about what a moving average was in general. Now, I told you I'm gonna break down every type of moving average it is. Today, we're going to talk about the 200-day moving average, and I want to show you a chart that you guys can look at as I explain this to you. Okay, a 200-day moving average is a technical indicator used to analyze and identify long-term trends. Essentially, guys, it's a line that represents the average closing price for the last 200 days and can be applied to any security. Markets consistently trading below the 200-day moving average are seen to be in a downward trend, okay? So listen, guys, you often ask me about different price points and why I'm so big on that. After you study the fundamentals of the company, the forward PE, the PE, and everything you need to know that really determines if a company is good or not, now you need to know the 50-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, the 10-day moving average, because now you need to know when and where to buy these prices at. When I talk to you guys about buy the stock at this price, I'm really referring to these different mile markers that I use to be able to tell you guys, hey, we're pouncing on this. If it hit this price, get your 125 shares, because I know resistance lines, I know where it's going to shoot back up to. And so I just need you guys to listen and do the best you can to get the prices that we talk about on the channel, okay? So guys, that's what a 200-day moving average is. Take a look at the graph, zoom in, pause the video if you need to. But listen, up next we have our question of the day, and today's question comes from Brenda May. Hi Chris, it's been really great since I found you on YouTube and watching my portfolio grow. Before I found your channel, I have had my account but don't quite know what to do. My question is, how long when you sell a stock will the money be available for you to buy another stock or transfer it to your account to use for something else? Can you make a video showing us how this is done? Thank you for all the knowledge you shower on us. Brenda, I thank you for sending this in. Again, as new investors, I have to be mindful that some things that might be common sense or the simplest thing to some might for real be something that we all need to go over together as a family, okay? And so when you sell a stock, guys, when you guys when I talk about selling a stock or get out at this price point or take profits, when you initially do it, that money will go to your buying power, okay? You will see that money transfer from the stock, however many number of shares you sell, it will then transfer to your buying power. It'll sit in your buying power either until you buy another stock or until you cash out completely and send the money or transfer the money to your bank account that you have hooked to your brokerage account, okay? And so at that point is when you can take it out, use it to take care of family, buy things you might need, pay a bill, whatever, okay? So your buying power is where your money will live. Keep that in mind, okay? And it would only show up there once you sell out of your current stock, okay? So once you liquidate a position, then it will go to your buying power. Brenda, once again, I thank you for this question. Hey guys, if you have questions, again, leave them in my comments below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Remember, I make videos like this every week, so if you like this, then make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.